Here is the Litheli electric utility wagon with power bank. It is an electric wagon powered by a 20,000 mAh battery that can carry up to 132 pounds. It has a top speed of 6 miles per hour and a range of 12 miles. The wagon can also be used as a power bank to charge other devices. Here are some of the features of the Litheli electric utility wagon with power bank. Powered by a 20,000 mAh battery, it can run up to 12 miles on a single charge. Folds down for easy transport and storage. Made of high-quality materials, it can withstand wear and tear. The battery can be easily detached for charging or replacement. Choose between a slow and steady speed or a faster speed for more demanding tasks. The tailgate can be opened to easily load and unload cargo. The LED lights provide visibility in low light conditions. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Litheli electric utility wagon with power bank. Pros: electric power, no gas or oil required, making it environmentally friendly. Foldable design, easy to transport and store. Durable construction, can withstand wear and tear. Detachable battery, easy to charge or replace. 2-speed mode, choose the right speed for the task at hand. Tailgate, easy to load and unload cargo. LED lights, provides visibility in low light conditions. Cons: pricey, it is more expensive than some other electric wagons. Range, the range of 12 miles is not the longest on the market. Top speed, the top speed of 6 miles per hour is not the fastest on the market. Overall, the Litheli electric utility wagon with power bank is a great option for people who are looking for a versatile and easy-to-use wagon. It is perfect for transporting cargo, tools, and other equipment. It can also be used as a power bank to charge other devices. However, it is more expensive than some other electric wagons and has a shorter range and top speed. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.